guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom? Oh, Judy. Well, you came and you baked me some cookies. Well, you... What we... Oh, I'm stuffed now. I couldn't have enough... Okay, one more. I'm gonna have one more, and then that'll be it. I didn't think she'd like a hefty boy with glasses who's into llamas and sleeps with a blankie and has unsightly spots all over his...
Too much information! Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that...
Oh, ow, my scapula!